Nearly 30% of all fatal crashes in New Jersey involve alcohol consumption. Now imagine the result of a drunk driving accident involving the size and weight of a large tractor-trailer truck. It can be an especially deadly combination. Even if it doesn't cause the loss of life, these accidents are likely to cause serious physical, mental, and emotional distress for the victims. That's why it's important to seek representation from an attorney right away if you've been injured by a trucker who was driving while drunk. Are truck drivers held to a higher standard? Yes, truck drivers are held to a higher standard. Although 0.08% is both the nationwide and New Jersey alcohol limit, it's important to note that people who hold a commercial driver's license, or CDL, are held to a much higher standard as a professional driver. A blood alcohol content, BAC, level of just 0.04%, or half the standard limit, is grounds for a DWI charge for CDL licensed drivers while operating a commercial vehicle. Who can you sue in an accident caused by a drunk truck driver? In analyzing truck crashes involving alcohol, courts look to all the relevant circumstances in order to determine fault and liability. A person injured by an intoxicated truck driver should get representation from an attorney right away to help determine the best possible outcomes. For example, sometimes more than one party is at fault in drunk driving accidents. At-fault parties may include the drunk truck driver, the truck company or owner, and/or a restaurant or bar that served alcohol to the truck driver prior to the accident if they believed that he was or would become intoxicated. Will your insurance cover medical treatment and other out-of-pocket losses? New Jersey has a no-fault insurance system. This means your own insurance or personal injury protection pays for your medical treatment and other out-of-pocket losses incurred by anyone covered under the policy, regardless of who is at fault for the accident. However, this doesn't mean you can file a lawsuit if you were injured by a drunk driver in a truck accident. In New Jersey, you can pursue legal action against an at-fault driver if the accident caused you to suffer what state law considers a serious injury, such as loss of a body part, significant disfigurement, significant scarring, a displaced fracture, loss of a fetus, and permanent injury, meaning the affected body part has not healed to allow normal function and is not expected to. You can also have a wrongful death case if a loved one died in an accident caused by a drunk truck driver. To investigate your options if you or a loved one has been injured by a truck driver who is drinking, contact Rosenblum Law for a free no-obligation consultation. We'll review the evidence, strategize with you to come up with the best approach to handle your case in court.